JD 26 here. I just do tips and repairs and hobbies, and we've got the Smith's diamond steel here, and it's already, you go like this, that's how it's stored. You open it like this, and it's got a fine side and a coarse side, okay? The coarse side is to chew up the blade if it's got chips in it or something like that, and the fine side is to really sharpen the blade. I don't know if these wear out or not. I've had this for quite a while, but we've got this knife again here, and what you do is you hold it like this, and about a 20-degree angle, and you go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how the blade is kind of fussing a little bit? That may throw off the sharpening of the blade. So don't put too much pressure on it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let's see how it did. Some steels are better than others. See how it's ripping? Like I said, some steels are better than others. It cuts like that. Cuts like that good. It's pretty sharp. This is another type. I showed you the last time, the ceramic one, in the last video. This is a diamond one. Diamond ones work pretty well. Better than the ceramic ones in my opinion. So if you could find this online, it's a good one. Next one I'm going to show you is the Arkansas stone. Not in this video, in another video. And we'll probably use the same knife because it's got that steel that is just hard to sharpen. It's not the best steel in the world for sharpening. So I hope you have a good day. I hope you rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. And we'll see you next time in the next video. And have a good one.